Players pushing up, straight ahead, on the ridge!
Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 3 of Operation Sledgehammer. I want to thank you for all the awesome support and comments on the series so far. I got a few of you guys asking for the videos to be a little bit longer, so today I have over a 10-minute video for you guys with firefights, grenades, RPGs, night raids, so hopefully you guys can sit back and enjoy the episode. Now, after the success of our attack in episode 2, which if you haven't seen I will leave linked in the description below, we headed back to our side of the village for some rest and some reloading before getting back out into the village and taking the fight to the enemy.
Two down! Two down! Two down here behind the bins.
Now at this point I realise there's almost an entire enemy squad bunched up to the left hand side hiding behind the pub. So if we can get a grenade in there, we might be able to get those guys out.
Did I get him?
Now after keeping those guys pinned down behind the pub, I fall back to try and find reinforcements so we can try and get these guys out. Now somewhere in our squad we have an LMG gunner who's running a pretty large GPMG. If we can get that on the corner and keep them suppressed, the rest of our team might be able to move in and take those guys down.
I've got a
we need you around here. Follow me. Where have you just come from? There.
This is the base.
If we can spray around this corner. I need you to hose down rounds around here. Hang on, Tom. Around this corner, they're behind the pub. If you can just put down a mad amount of fire, as soon as you peek that corner, you're going to see about 4 or 5 guys. Oh.
Yo, left the pub.
Move in. Look, I can hear rounds hitting that. Oh, that might have been you actually.
Try to take one of these guys out on the left, and I think we'll move to the next building.
Oh, hit! Medic!
Now at this event, if you take a hit, you just put your hand up and call for a squad mate, and anyone in your squad can come across and take the tourniquet from your pocket, strap it round your arm, and you're back in the fight again. Now if you're hit a second time, that would need the actual medic from your squad to come across and give you an IV, which in this case was just drinking a small bottle of water. Once you've drank that, you're back in the fight again.
Alright, don't say this.
Left window.
Now after successfully pushing the enemy team away from the pub, we hear that there could be some armed civilians inside the building that pose a threat, particularly one who's got an RPG. So we've got to try and get inside and get that weapon off them.
What do you say? No, we're here to save him. I'm gonna go right.
After successfully sneaking into the building and stealing the RPG, we managed to get back out again without even being noticed by the civilians who were only stood a few feet in front of us.
Do we need this? Lads! Lads!
Lads, do we need this?
What do we do with this thing?
Can't your RV.
Oh my god, it looks fucking badass.
Now, as any of you guys would probably do, once you've stolen yourself an RPG, you can't just put it down and walk away. You do have to have a little play because, of course, it is a very cool looking piece of kit.
Fire? Or is it a prop?
Now, as the evening was drawing in, we got a call from our commander telling us we were about to drop some pretty heavy artillery onto enemy positions, and we can probably expect a counterattack soon after. So we moved up to the high ground of the village to see what would happen.
Once the guy was just marching up here. Whoa!
What the fuck? There's another 5, 4.
That's them dead.
And just as we expected, soon after the artillery strike, enemy forces tried to move up through the village to try and take our position up by the church.
Players pushing up, straight ahead, on the ridge! Fuck. He's down! His teammate's behind where he's down, I think. Look, there's a... Oh, fuck's sake. Enemy player, you're 12 o'clock, about 100 metres back. He's about to throw a smoke anyway, look. Good throw. Let it build. Now. Woo! That was a run of death.
After making it up from the church to the top of the hill, we now have the high ground to look down into the barn where most of the enemy players are located and try and take them out.
My leg in it, but I pulled the muscle in it last night.
If you can get a tag on that barn, you've got some kills.
Back next to the tree.
Moving up, they're moving up, they're moving up. He's gone into the gap.
Okay. Oh, right side, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Matt, move it towards you.
Now at this point, an enemy player rushes up to the left hand side of the church, only a few metres from our teammate's position. So this is where I decide to use a Cloud9 Thunderflash so I can throw it overarm and get it as far as possible to try and take him out.
Nice fucking grenade kill.
Good. Lads, watch our left.
Yeah, we got covered. Let's kill, lads. Let's kill.
Oh, that's throw.
Like a boss.
Cover fire!
With a flare now blocking our position from the enemy, we try and move back down the hill towards the church so we can then attack the barn.
Go low, I'll go high. You ready? Go. Tell me we had it from there. Go back.
Go!
Watch out. I can throw this quite well, underarm it quite far, can't I?
Yeah.
Get a bang in there, let's go!
Hit!
Which right, there you go. There, thingy. Right.
With our forces now stacked up against the edge of the barn, it was now or never to try and push in and wipe these players out to try and win ourselves the fight.
Hit! He's down.
And with that second hit and no team medic in sight, that was me out of the fight. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If so, don't forget to leave a like and a comment below. And of course, stay tuned for episode 4 coming very, very soon. But in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.